Ryan and I are walking to the Point Cabrillo lighthouse. Light station? Lighthouse? Light station?
The lighthouse is at the light station.
Oh, there you
I
go.
think the station is all the buildings.
Yeah.
Lighthouse is just the house.
It's called the light station, but there's a lighthouse out there. He had the explanation. I'll stick with what he said. Because he's a smarty. A smarty McTardy. Ryan had started taking photos again. It's been a long time. It's probably been like quite a few months. It's been a lot of months.
Yeah.
Hasn't really been taking a lot of photos, but he's starting to do it again, and I'm so glad. He's gonna start posting stuff on our much deserted Instagram account at Wild Lanterns.
And our website, wildlanterns.com.
Yeah. And we have arrived at the light station. Oh, and it's still...
It still has the old Fresnel lens up on top.
And it's still doing its thing. So cool. Historic.
These are vacation rentals now.
Really?
These two houses. I think these
Oh
two
yeah,
houses.
that's right. You can vacate in them. Gosh, what a beautiful place for a picnic. Too bad we didn't bring any food. I love the color scheme on these houses. Like the color scheme. Hey. Oh, that's beautiful.
No Cadillacs.
Oh. Absolutely no Cadillacs. Ocean's 12. If you have any questions about Brad Pitt and George Clooney's method in their second of the three films they made,
They have a pamphlet.
they have a pamphlet there. I want to live here. Look at this. This is beautiful. Oh, it's bright. Gosh, what a gorgeous day. Oh, wow. Well, Ryan kind of took off on me. Or did I take off on him? I think we split in separate directions. So I'm going to put on a mask because there are now like 9 people out here. And it's no longer Ryan and I. And I'm gonna try and catch him over there on that bluff that he was walking on. It's a beautiful day out. Ooh, what a gorgeous view. Ready for this, y'all? Hey, it's reserved for you. Come back. I feel like I'm chasing Ryan. He's moving very quickly. He's got lots of photos to take. The light is actually really great right now because it's kind of overcast and the clouds act like a natural diffuser. Somebody lost their Panama hat. Sad, really. It is way too windy out here for a hat like that. Anyways, I stopped to video a hat in a puddle and Ryan has sped off in another direction. So I'm just gonna take my time and enjoy the view. Holy cow! It's a bit of a steep little drop off. And the thing is, I probably shouldn't be standing this close because it's very possible that it's undercut. Let's find out since I have the selfie stick camera. I couldn't tell how much that told me. I'm just gonna back away from it. I feel like that's the smartest option. It's cold out here. The wind is blowing. I don't know if you can tell. I'm having trouble controlling my camera. Control yourself! Oh. Look who's coming back. Look who's going away.
Hello.
Hi.
Watch out, this section's very undercut.
Yeah, really undercut. Here's one of the reasons why. 'Tis a squirrel hole.
Well, you want to go inside?
Yeah, in just a second. Ooh, look at the color of the water.
Purple.
Wow, wow. Oh my gosh. Wow. That's beautiful. That's one of my most favorite things in the whole world is clear water. Just clear, crystal clear, blue, vibrant, refreshing looking water. Although right now I really don't want to jump into it because it's cold and my fingers are going numb.
It's cold. Glad we brought our jackets.
Yeah, we almost did it. Good call, Ryan. Should we go into the lighthouse?
Yeah, let's go and look. It wasn't open last time we were here.
All right. Heading back to the car?
Yeah, it's windy and cold out here. It's neat though. This is one of the few ones that has the Fresnel lens still operating. It's cool.
It is cool. I like it. So being out here at the lighthouse reminds me that my favorite coffee roaster, Thanksgiving Coffee Company, farmhouse.
Oh yeah, Thanksgiving coffee. They are down here.
Is located and started and has stayed in Fort Bragg, and they actually sell a coffee that is called, I think it's called Lighthouse Keepers Coffee or something like that. It supports the maintaining of this lighthouse. I've worked at 2 coffee shops that have sold Thanksgiving coffee and I buy it. It's a little bit more expensive, but it's worth it, and it's just my absolute favorite coffee in the whole world. A lot of it is organic, and they work with the villages and the people who grow and harvest the beans. They've won coffee roaster awards. I love Paul's blend. My brother loves their, I think, Northern Italian espresso, because he also worked at the coffee shop with me at one point. This isn't an ad. I'm just telling you, go check them out. It's good coffee. It's like a little cup of home. Has good nostalgic memories for me. And they have a coffee that supports the lighthouse. So that's kind of cool. I think there's actually somebody staying in one of these houses right now. I saw a young child hanging out of one of the windows. On the first floor, not on the second floor. Oh, you can actually go in there? Oh, that lady we just passed had a chocolate chip cookie and that looked really good. Now I want to make blondies or chocolate chip cookies or something. Yeah, the museum is open. Open. Knock, knock. Well, there you have it. The lighthouse.
Everything was open this time.
Yeah, it's kind of cool.
Onward.
Onward.